thought this is the time to introduce our group formally to the division, because we've been waiting for the last person of the group to come, so that the group is complete before introducing the group. So you know already existing members, so we are all starting there. So the new members, we had Saiful, Ida, Jacob. If the pointer is working, yes, we have Saiful here, Ida is here, Jacob is here, and Mauricio. He was there before, and of course me in between, and all the rest are new members. Okay, we can go to the details. Right. So this is a short description about the group members. So you know me. Next to me is Roger Carlson. Fortunately, he's here today because he's also working in Scandinavia. He's a senior engineer in Scandinavia, and he works with us 20%. And he's very much informative, knowledgeable in antennas and our systems and our circuits. Mauricio Perez. Mauricio is here. Mauricio is well versed in macro methods and analytical bottlenecks and macro theory, basically. Pramod Rangaya is here. So you have seen his presentation last week. We were not here. We were in Krakow. He's good at RF circuit simulations and system. Bafarika is having his presentation today. He's a researcher in antennas, front ends, body-worn applications. And Saiful is on. Is Saiful today? Oh yeah, Saiful's here. Good. Saiful had been doing his research in front ends and sensors for monitoring different physiological changes in the body. And he's a guy who has the clinical license to do measurements in situ on the patient. And Ida has been doing work on intra-body communication. So Saiful and Ida, they are close to their PhD. We are hoping to conclude everything this year, towards the fall. And Jacob Wilander, he's not with us right now because he's being on a sick leave, so he'll be joining next week. So he's making the complete sensor system. So, and he also have some experience in robotics. Victor Madsen. Victor, if you're here? Yes. So Victor is a PhD student. He had done master thesis with us, and he has the capacity to do machine learning, so to speak, and he works with data analysis. All the clinical data that pours in the group is being analyzed by Victor. Then we have Leia Joseph. She's associate to us, to Signals and System, and also MST. She works with stretchable electronics and microwave phantoms. So phantoms are emulatory models that you use for testing sensors and implanted devices. So we have Javad Ibrahimi Saleh. He has also done his presentation, and he's a very good engineer in microimaging. So his current task is to make an imaging system for osteoporosis diagnosis. So if that becomes reality, then we have that in the hospital here. We again have Eric Trollsos, two thesis interns. One is Eric Trollsos. He's a student of Uppsala University. He's doing a master thesis with us. And what he's doing is interesting. He's doing a bionic arm, okay, which you could communicate from the brain through the fat of the body and articulate it using a mechanical structure. Eric, if you're here? Yeah, that's right. And then we have Rocco Calzone. So Rocco Calzone is a student, he's a thesis intern. He's with us for 6 to 7 months. And he's from Politecnico di Torino, from Turin. And his research or thesis is about identifying physiological signals, for example, electrocardiogram. So to emulate those signals and make a model which you can transmit those signals in and pick those signals. Yeah, so that's a description about the group. As you might have noticed, that a lot of things are about medicine. So our projects are also funded by medical motivation. So it ranges from bone defect diagnostics to cancer diagnostics. So it's more diagnostics, and also we focus on the regime monitoring, rehabilitation, because we don't have any sort of modality that could be frequently used except from X-rays, but X-rays you cannot frequently use. But microwaves are a good placeholder for that, and there's a lot of potential that we can exploit from using microwave. And also because I had my master's in robotics, so I do have a robotics background too. So we try to mix both of this into medical applications. So that's the beauty of it. And thank you so much. And I let Babaite to continue.